Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Monday, the 25th of October 2021, where in just a few minutes I tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets, economics and the world of business today. I'm Sean Aylmer. The S&P ASX 200 finished 0.3% higher today to 7,441 points, led by energy and utilities companies. Industrials and information technology companies underperformed. Telstra led large caps up 2.2% after agreeing to buy Digicel, the telco operation with businesses across the Pacific, from Papua New Guinea to Samoa and Nauru, for $2.1 billion. But the large majority of the money will be paid for by the Australian government. So Telstra gets an asset almost for free. Not a bad deal. Oil and gas giant Woodside was the best of the large caps, up 3.7%. Newcrest Mining, Xero, Woolworths and Rio Tinto all did well. Afterpay was the worst of the large caps, down 2.7%. Mineral Resources was the best performer of the top 200 today, up almost 9% after it announced that its lithium mine in the Pilbara region of Western Australia would soon restart. It's been closed since late 2019. Next best was oil and gas group Beach Energy, up more than 5%, while gold digger Ramelius Resources jumped 4.9%. Fund manager Perpetual, which ran really hard last week, was the worst performer, down more than 5%, while online retailer Kogan.com was off 5%. Origin Energy said it had done a deal to sell a 10% stake in Australia Pacific LNG for $2.12 billion. The buyer is global energy investor EIG. Lithium group Pilbara Minerals went into a trading halt pending an announcement regarding a transaction. Woodside Energy will build a $1 billion hydrogen plant south of Perth with the support of the Western Australian government to boost renewable energy supplies in the state and export low-carbon energy overseas. And a consortium led by TPG has dropped its offer price for fleet management and salary packaging company Smart Group by 11%. Never a good look. The board's now rejected the offer. The COVID news today was good, a drop in cases in Victoria to 1,461, and there are a little under 300 cases in New South Wales. The Future Fund said it had delivered a 1.2% return during the third quarter, and the fund is now worth $199 billion. Oil prices were up today after Saudi Arabia's energy minister told Bloomberg that producers should stay cautious on supply because the pandemic still threatens demand. Brent crude is trading above $86 a barrel, and that means there's not going to be much relief at the petrol pump anytime soon. The Aussie dollar is buying just under 75 US cents. That's it for the afternoon market report for Monday, the 25th of October, 2021. Don't forget to hit follow on the podcast and find Fear and Greed on LinkedIn, Twitter and Facebook. Join me tomorrow morning for the Tuesday edition of the Fear and Greed Business Headlines. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your evening.